Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the chicken lovers. This is my mother's special recipes and one of my favorites as well. We're going to make this delicious and easy to make chicken fry. Let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to marinate the chicken. For this recipe I've taken about 1 kilo of chicken pieces with bone. Make sure to wash the chicken pieces nice and clean. First I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of curd. So mix everything well so all the pieces are well coated with the marinade. Just rub that all in. So marinating this chicken will make the pieces more juicy and you'll have better flavors. So let this sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, let's cook the chicken. To the pan, add the marinated chicken pieces. Let the chicken pieces cook in its own juices, keeping the flame on medium. Just toss the pieces at intervals. So after 5 minutes, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well along with the chicken pieces. You can see the pieces are releasing a lot of moisture here. Close the pan and cook the chicken for about 10 minutes on medium flame. We're going to let the chicken cook in its own juices. So after 10 minutes you can see the chicken is almost cooked. Turn off the stove at this point and keep the chicken aside. To another pan, I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add a few pieces of cinnamon, a few cloves and a few cardamom pods. Just roast the spices a bit. Next I'm adding 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. Next I'm adding 4 green chilies slit. Just add a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. Once the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color, next I'm adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. After about 2 to 3 minutes, gently transfer the cooked chicken pieces into this pan and mix everything well. So you can see the chicken pieces are coated with that onion and tomato masala. We're going to make the chicken a little more flavorful by adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. So mix that all in. Make sure it's all well combined. Well, the aroma is absolutely amazing. So this is my mother's recipe and this is something that we love eating at home. I've been sharing some of my mother's recipes lately. I'll give you a couple of links to other recipes that I've made earlier. Do check them out. So finally, I'm going to finish off by adding a generous amount of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just slowly toss that in. Look at that beautiful color. Fresh coriander leaves is going to add a nice flavor to the chicken fry. So there you go. Here is a simply delicious and easy to make chicken fry. It's a great recipe for all the chicken lovers. And it's time to taste. Chicken is cooked beautifully and it's absorbed all the flavors. Oh my god, it's just incredible. All I have to say is it's finger licking good. So you can see the recipe is pretty straightforward with very simple and basic ingredients. Now if you're having parties or get-togethers, if you're having friends over, this is something that you can make and share with everybody because they're all going to absolutely love and enjoy it. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.